two transformations. Exercise 6E, third bit, first question. Third bit, first question. If cos x plus cos y, if cos x plus cos y equal to 4 by 5 and cos x minus cos y equal to cos x minus cos y equal to 2 by 7, 2 by 7, find the value of, then find the value of 14 tan of x minus y by 2, 14 tan of x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot of x plus y by 2, 5 cot of x plus y by 2 equal to 5 cot of x plus y by 2. So we need to simplify this one. 14 cot of x minus y by 2 plus 5 tan of 5 cot of x plus y by 2. Okay, solution. First, given information I want to write cos x plus cos y equal to 4 by 5. I want to apply cos c plus cos d formula. Cos c plus cos d formula 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 4 by 5 equation number 1. Next, cos x minus cos y equal to 2 by 7. Cos c minus cos d formula minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 equal to 2 by 7. So equation 2, 1 divided by 2. So 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2 by minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 equal to 2 by 7. 2 cancel. Cos by sin cot, cos by sin cot. So actually x plus y by 2 contain cot. So cot, cos by sin cot. Cot of x plus y by 2. Cos by sin, this is also cot, but I want to take in the denominator. Minus tan x minus y by 2 equal to 2 by 7. Cross multiplication 7. So actually this is 2 first. Right side divided 4 by 5 by 2 by 7. 2 into 1, 2 into 2. 7 into 2, 14 by 5. Cross multiplication. 5 cot x plus y by 2 minus 14 tan x minus y by 2. Bringing this side, so minus will become plus equal to 14 tan x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y by 2 equal to 0. This is the required result. Okay, next, second question. Second question is, if none of the denominators are, if the none of the denominators is 0, if the none of the denominators is 0, prove that cos A plus cos B, cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B, cos A plus cos B minus by sin A minus sin B whole power n plus sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B whole power n equal to 2 into cot power n of a minus b by 2, 0. N is even, n is odd. So if n is even, that is 2 cot power n a minus b by 2, otherwise it is 0. So So I want to take the expression. So LHS cot A cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B whole power n. Next plus sin A plus sin B by sin cos A minus cos B whole power n. So I am taking this expression cos C plus cos B sin C minus sin D, sin C plus sin D, sin cos C minus cos D. These formulas I want to apply. Cos C plus cos D, 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 by 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 whole power n plus 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 by cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 whole power n. So 2 cancel, 2 cancel. So cos of A plus B by 2 cancel, sin of A plus B by 2 getting cancelled. Cos by sin cot, cot of A minus B by 2 whole power n plus minus cot of A minus B by 2 whole power n. So this is minus or plus depends upon n. So if n is given, then simplification cot power n A minus B by 2. So minus 1 power n even number plus cot power n A minus B by 2, which is equal to 2 times of cot power n A minus B by 2. So if n is given, we got the answer. If n is odd, then so cot power n A minus B by 2 minus 1 power odd minus cot power n A minus B by 2. So same getting cancelled. This is equal to 0. This is required solution. So if it is given 2 cot power n A minus B by 2, if it is odd, it is equal to 0. Okay, next. So question number 4. Third one we will discuss later. Fourth one also later. Fifth one. Fifth. If sec theta plus alpha, if sec theta plus alpha plus sec theta minus alpha equal to 2 sec theta and 2 sec theta and cos alpha not equal to 1, cos alpha not equal to 1, then show that cos theta equal to plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by 2, plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by 2. Solution. Sec theta plus alpha plus sec theta minus alpha, it is equal to given, that is equal to 2 sec theta. Then we need to prove this one. Sec theta plus alpha plus sec theta minus alpha equal to 2 sec theta. So sec equal to 1 by cos of theta plus alpha plus 1 by cos of theta minus alpha equal to 2 by cos theta. Taking LCM. So LCM is cos of theta plus alpha into cos of theta minus alpha. Cos of theta plus alpha into cos of theta minus alpha. Numerator cos of theta minus alpha plus cos of theta plus alpha equal to 1 by sec 1 by cos theta, 2 by cos theta, 2 by cos theta. So numerator cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos theta cos alpha 2 cos theta cos alpha. Okay, next, so we have two formulas, cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b, cos square b minus sin square a. So I am taking cos square theta minus sin square alpha. So first this formula I am taking. So cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b. So 2 by cos theta, 2 by cos theta. Both sides 2 getting cancelled. Cos square theta cos alpha equal to cos square theta minus sin square alpha. Cos square theta minus sin square alpha. Okay. Then what will we get? So we need cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta cos alpha equal to cos square theta minus sin square alpha. Okay. Next one. This is bringing outside. So sin square alpha equal to cos square theta minus cos square theta cos alpha. Cos square theta cos alpha. So in this cos square theta common, if we are taking cos square theta common, 1 minus cos alpha equal to sin square alpha. 1 minus cos alpha equal to sin square alpha. Okay. Next, cos square theta equal to, so sin square alpha by 1 minus cos alpha. 1 minus cos alpha. So one more time I want to check. 1 by cos of theta plus alpha, 1 by cos of theta minus alpha equal to 2 by cos theta. So cos of theta minus alpha plus cos of theta plus alpha by cos of theta plus alpha into cos of theta minus alpha equal to 2 by cos theta. Okay. Next, so 2 cos theta cos alpha, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, cos 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos theta cos alpha. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b, or cos square b minus sin square a. Okay. So here we got this one. So cos square theta, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta cos alpha equal to cos square theta minus sin square alpha. So sin square alpha equal to cos square theta minus cos square theta cos alpha. 1 minus cos alpha. Okay. Cos square theta equal to sin square alpha by, so sin square alpha what I am writing, 2 4 sin square alpha by 2 cos square alpha by 2 by 1 minus cos 2 sin square alpha by 2. So 2 into 1 2 into 2 sin square alpha by 2 getting cancelled. Cos square theta equal to 2 cos square alpha by 2. So cos theta equal to square bringing outside plus or minus root of 2 cos square alpha by 2. Cos theta equal to plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by root 2 plus or minus root 2 cos alpha by 2. Okay. Next question, fourth question. Fourth question. Second bit, third bit, fourth. If cos n alpha not equal to 0, cos n alpha not equal to 0, and cos alpha by 2 not equal to 0, cos n alpha not equal to 0, cos alpha by 2 not equal to 0, then show that sin n plus 1 of alpha minus sin n minus 1 of alpha by cos n plus 1 of alpha minus plus 2 cos n alpha plus cos n minus 1 of alpha equal to tan alpha by 2. Tan alpha by 2. So this we need to prove. So I am taking LHS left side. Simplifying this one, we will get this one. LHS sin of n plus 1 alpha minus sin of n minus 1 of alpha by sin of n plus 1 of alpha plus 2 cos n alpha plus cos of n minus 1 of alpha. So numerator I want to write as it is sin of n into alpha n alpha plus alpha minus sin of n into alpha n alpha minus alpha by sin of n into alpha n alpha plus alpha. This one I am writing. This is also cos. N into alpha n alpha 1 into alpha alpha. This one plus cos n into alpha n alpha minus alpha plus 2 cos n alpha. Sin c plus sin c minus sin d cos c plus cos d. So sin c 2 sin c plus d by 2 n alpha plus alpha 2 cos sin c minus sin d 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 plus n alpha minus alpha by 2 sin n alpha plus alpha minus n alpha plus alpha by 2 by so 2 cos n alpha plus alpha plus n alpha minus alpha by 2 cos n alpha plus alpha plus n minus n alpha plus alpha by 2 plus 2 cos n alpha 2 cos n alpha. So alpha cancel, n alpha cancel, alpha cancel, n alpha cancel. So 2 cos n alpha plus n alpha 2 n alpha by 2 n alpha sin alpha plus alpha 2 alpha by 2 alpha by 2 cos n alpha plus n alpha 2 n alpha by 2 n alpha cos alpha plus alpha 2 alpha by 2 alpha plus 2 cos n alpha. Now so numerator as it is 2 cos n alpha sin alpha by 2 cos n alpha comma 2 cos n alpha comma this is 1 plus cos alpha 2 cancel cos n alpha cancel sin alpha 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 1 plus cos 2 cos square alpha by 2 2 cancel cos alpha by 2 cancel sin by cos tan alpha by 2. This is equal to RHS. This is the required solution. Next question number 6th question. If none of xyz, none of x comma y comma z is an odd multiple, of pi by 2, if odd multiple of pi by 2, and if sin of y plus z minus x comma sin of z plus x minus y sin of x plus y minus z are in AP, then prove that tan x, tan y, tan z are also in A. Okay. So here these three trigonometric ratios are in AP. We need to prove these three trigonometric ratios are also in AP. So when we say three numbers are in AP, the differences are equal. Second minus first equal to third minus second. So solution: sin of y plus z minus x, comma sin of z plus x minus y, comma sin of x plus y minus z are in AP. So these are in AP. So if these are in AB, B minus A equal to C minus B. A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. So this one, sin of Z plus X minus Y minus sin of Y plus Z minus X equal to sin of X plus Y minus Z minus sin of Z plus X minus Y. B minus A equals C minus B. So A2 minus A1 equals B, A3 minus A2. Okay, sin C minus sin D formula. 2 cos, add Z plus X minus Y plus Y plus Z minus X by 2. C plus D by 2. Sin Z plus X minus Y minus Y minus Z plus X by 2 equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Next 2 cos X plus Y minus Z minus X plus Y by 2 sin. So C minus D by 2 X plus Y minus Z. So actually first we need to add cos of C plus D by 2 X plus Y minus Z plus Z plus X minus Y. Next, now we subtract X plus Y plus Z, Y minus Z minus Z minus X minus Z minus X plus Y by 2. Okay. Now both sides 2 cancel. Cos of Y cancel, X cancel. Next here Z cancel. Next Z cancel, Y cancel, here X cancel. That's it. Okay, so cos of 2Z by 2 sin of 2x minus 2y by 2 equal to cos of 2x by 2 sin of 2y minus 2z by 2. Next cos z sin of x minus 1 divided with 2 cos x sin of y minus z. So now I want to apply sin of a minus b formula. Cos z sin x cos y minus cos x sin y equal to cos x sin y cos z minus cos y sin z. Now multiplication sin x cos y cos z minus cos x sin y sin cos z equal to cos x sin y cos z minus cos x cos y sin z. Okay, so we need tan x tan y tan z. So overall I want to divide with cos x cos y cos z. So sin x cos y cos z by cos x cos y cos z minus cos x sin y cos z by cos x cos y cos z equal to cos x sin y cos z by cos x cos y cos z minus cos x cos y sin z by cos x cos y cos z. Okay, now the terms which are cancelled, I am cancelling. Cos y cancel, cos z cancel, cos x cancel, cos z cancel, cos x cancel, cos z cancel, cos x cancel, cos y cancel. So numerator sin, denominator cos. Sin x by cos x tan x minus sin y by cos y tan y equal to tan y minus tan z. So both sides I want to multiply with negative. Tan y minus tan x equal to tan z minus tan y. So a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2. Therefore tan x more problem is left in this exercise, that is question number 3. Third question. If sin A equals sin B and cos A equal to cos B, sin A equal to sin B and cos A equal to cos B, then prove that A equal to 2n pi plus B for some integer. Yeah. So sin A equal to sin B, cos A equal to cos B, then we need to prove A equal to 2n pi plus B. So first solution, sin A equal to sin B. So sin A minus sin B equal to 0. Sin A minus sin B equal to 0. So sin C minus sin B formula 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 equal to 0. 2 bringing outside, cos of A plus B by 2 equal to 0 or sin of A minus B by 2 equal to 0. This is first situation. Next, cos A equal to cos B. Cos A minus cos B equal to 0. Cos A minus cos B equal to 0. Okay, now cos A minus cos B equal to 0. Cos C minus cos B formula minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 bringing outside, sin of A plus B by 2 equal to 0 or sin of A minus B by 2 equal to 0. Equation number 2. So these two conditions will be satisfied. So either of them equal to 0. Here also either of them equal to 0. Both are satisfied. Sin of A minus B by 2 equal to 0. So equations 1 and 2 satisfy. Yet sin of A minus B by 2 equal to 0. So when sin is equal to 0, sin 0 0, 2 pi 0, 4 pi 0, pi 0, 3 pi 0, 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, all these pi multiples, integral multiples are 0. So A minus B by 2 equal to n pi, 0 pi, 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, for all integers it is equal to 0. So A minus B equal to cross multiply 2n pi, A equal to 2n pi plus B, n belongs to 0. This is the required solution.